Hey guys, welcome to a new video. So today is Friday the 20th of March and it's our travel day and we are heading to Disneyland Paris for the first ever time. We're very excited. We're actually going for 4 days in total. So we're going tonight, 4 nights, but we're going to be there Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then most of Tuesday because we've got a late flight back to Heathrow. So we've just got to Heathrow parking now and yeah, our flight is at 6 PM tonight. So let's go. So we're in T5 now and we've just dropped off our bags. It is 4:25, so 2 hours till our flight takes off, so not too bad. Security looked a bit busy, so hopefully it doesn't take too long because we do want to get some food. Probably going to get Five Guys again potentially, so I'm excited for that because I'm really hungry. All we've had is breakfast really today, that's it. We're definitely going to get some food here, then we haven't got to bother like when we get to Paris, but not too bad. So yeah, we're flying to the airport there and then we're going to get Uber to the hotel. Also, I forgot to mention it's Sam's first time going to Paris. I've been a couple of times before, but this is Sam's first time, so yeah. And I've never flown to Paris, I've always got the Eurostar, so it's going to be, never been to this airport, so yeah. So security really didn't take that long either, which is really good. It's now 4:30, so we've got plenty of time to sit and chill. We probably should have checked what time our gate was going to show up. I think there might be a sign near Five Guys. I think we're going to sort of see how busy it is. It looks fairly busy because obviously last time we came in here was for breakfast. Well, obviously I have the breakfast sandwich at the moment, but it looks definitely busier. So, and it was a bit slow when we came in for breakfast. So yeah. So I've already got my shake, got the cinnamon one again, which is delicious. So this was a must-have. I feel like I've never ever had Five Guys now. Literally a couple of times out the airport we've had it, but yeah, this is a great shout. And then we've also ordered the grilled cheese. We've ordered the bacon cheeseburger one, and we've also ordered some fries too. Because we've never had the grilled cheese before, so I really wanted to try that. Obviously, last time we had the breakfast sandwich, which is really good too. I think they are selling it at the moment. I need to check, but it seemed like it was on the menu on the screen. So yeah, I'm gonna sit and enjoy this, and I'll show you what the grilled cheese is like when we get it too. So our food's come out now. We've got the bacon cheeseburger in here. We've got the grilled cheese. Look, you can see the size difference. And then this is our large fries, which we said last trip we're not going to get large again, but it's the price difference. You're just like, screw it. And then obviously the shake too. So let's get these unraveled and see what they look like. So this is the cheeseburger, the bacon cheeseburger that we got this time. So we got jalapenos, grilled onions and pickles on it this time, and we got ketchup on it too. So the grilled cheese is literally just a bun, obviously, and their normal cheese inside. Let's give it a bite. I wouldn't be ordering this again. It's not bad, but I knew it straight away. It's super basic for the price. I'd rather pay a little bit more and got another burger. But let's try it, see what it's like. So Sam's tried the grilled cheese now.
Yeah, very basic, but still nice.
Yeah, it's
really
still nice.
soft bread. So, I mean, I would have probably added some toppings like.
Yeah, that might make it a bit better, mightn't it? Yeah, that's a good point.
Still good.
Yeah, and it's really soft, so yeah. Right, let's go for the first bite. So we weren't going to add pickles because Sam doesn't really like pickles, but I'm so glad we did because they've got a great crunch to them. So like I said, we've got jalapenos, ketchup, grilled onions and pickles, and the pickles are real good. This is even better than last time. It's delicious. So we just had our Five Guys now and it was delicious, but like we were saying, which I say all the time, so I completely forgot that we usually prefer this. I think we'd rather have had 2 burgers, no chips, and obviously our milkshake. I was never going to leave out a milkshake, obviously. But yeah, I think that's probably what we would have preferred to have done, to be honest. We need to remember that for next time when we do have it here. Now we're just going to go sit down for a bit because our gate isn't going to come up until, I think it's like we've got another 20 minutes at least, because we wanted to give up our seat in Five Guys so other people sit down, because there's not like loads of seating there, it's quite busy. Right, let's go get a seat and chill out for a bit. So it's not even 4:30 when they said they were going to do the gate, but on the app it says. So we are now going to see 53 to go sit around there rather than just sitting over here. We might as well get straight to the gate and chill out there. I'm already tired. I was saying to Sam, every time I come in the airport I'm like ready to sleep, so I don't know what that means, but yeah.
delighted to welcome you to flight 320. All customers on today's flight must have signed their passport. British Airways flight 3202 Paris.
Oh Christ, it's quite a downhill thing, isn't it? Oh my.
E-cigarettes, vaping and the use of other smoking devices is not permitted at any time whilst on board. Operating a very full flight this evening, we kindly ask that all rucksacks.
So we're on the flight now, it's 5:26 and we are due to depart at 6:20, so we've got about 25 minutes till we leave. So yeah, excited. We have sorted out our E-plan because obviously in Europe now you have to pay, but we have used our like additional thing that we get with our account. We swapped it from the US one to the Europe one, so hopefully we don't get charged and we can just use our data and stuff. Because I think we pay £5 extra a month, but if you bought like the plan, for example, for the American one, I think it's like 20 or 25 pounds, so that's what we buy. We have that, so we can swap it out for other extras. I think we can use Netflix, Spotify and all that kind of stuff too. So yeah, so hopefully that all works and we don't get charged. But yeah, we're excited to get there now. So we're all settled on our flight now. We've got our stuff away, but we have got the iPad out and we're hopefully going to watch Zootopia too. But what we've done this time is we've connected the AirPods so that we can both listen at the same time. So as you can see, both our things are connected now. So yeah, it's just when you go to the option, there'll be like a share audio, and all you got to do is put your AirPods close to it and it will let you play at the same time. So we have to share AirPods and yeah, and watch the same thing and listen to it.
From all of us on board and British Airways, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. It has been our pleasure having you on board and we do wish you a very good evening.
Yeah, we've just got off the plane now. It's 8:30 at night here, so it's an hour. Yeah, Sam just said Uber. He just got an Uber notification to get there. But yeah, we're here. We are here. So we got here 10 minutes earlier than we should have. It was really quick. It was so quick. It was as quick as it was at Glasgow, to be honest. Right, let's get out of here. Get our Uber, because I think it's about 30 minutes. Taxi, 35 minutes. Depending on what the traffic's like. I haven't checked, but yeah, might take us a while. Good old Gary C. Well, that's probably the quickest I've ever had that ever. Literally got off the plane straight through. Amazing. Let's hope the bags are just as quick. Probably not. Probably have to take away a little bit of time, but it is what it is. Sam's first time in Paris. He's touched down. You excited? So we've just looked at the Uber and it's going to take us about 40 minutes to get there. So not too bad. But the bags are due to come out, hoping next minute, because you can actually see it's just updated the time to 20 to 9, which is really nice. Hopefully we can get out of here soon, get the Uber, get over to the hotel. By then though, it's going to be super late because it's 20 to 9 now, so there's no chance we can go to a park, unfortunately, tonight because of what time we've got in. If we would have got an earlier flight, maybe we could have, but there's just no chance. So far, that was just so quick. So we waited for our bags. That took the longest, but it is now 10 to 9 at night. And we've got our suitcase now, so that didn't take, honestly, it just didn't take very long at all. Very, very good. So now we've just got to wait for them to arrive and pick us up, take us to our hotel. So we should get to the hotel about probably 20 to 10 now at this rate. Look at all the queues, traffic. Ah, dear, crazy. But I think it's just, we're just waiting for an Uber now. It's going to take 4 minutes to get here, so not too bad. And then we come out exit 14, because we've arrived in Terminal 2C. We've just got to wait for the taxi and then make our way over to the hotel. And then I suspect we'll just go to bed, to be honest. We'll show you the hotel when we check in and see what it's about. Yeah, probably just go to bed and chill, because obviously we're going to be out all day tomorrow. Made it to the hotel. It is now 9:30, so we got here super quickly. Right, let's go check in. So we've just stepped into the hotel now. We've just got into our room. We're in 143, which is just one up one level. I think there's 3 floors in the hotel. So yeah, just going to show you around the room now what it looks like. So this is what it looks like when you enter. So to your left in our room, you've got the bathroom, which is a nice size to be fair. Shower, bath, nice sink area. And they've got a hairdryer too there. A nice mirror to be fair. We've also got a big mirror here too, which is nice, love that. Then to your right hand side you've got the wardrobe here. Then on the other side you have some shelves and you also have a safe too. Quite a deep safe to be honest. Then as you walk through here you've got the bed, which to be fair, once again, nice size isn't it?
Well, I suppose to be fair, it's 2 like,
singles.
Yeah, I think it's like big singles.
Yeah, okay. And then here you've also got like a kitchen kind of thing too. You've got a sink, you've got a fridge and a freezer. Looks like a hob too, kettle.
Microwave.
Oh, microwave too.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah. Oh great.
You've just got like cups and stuff in there.
Decent size fridge too. Very good. You got cups too?
Yeah, so there's a bin in there, you've got cups in there, and some bowls, plates and stuff in there, and then saucepans and stuff in there.
Oh, okay. That's pretty good, isn't it? And then you've got a TV here. And you've just got a little desk area if you want it. So this is the view from the window. The window opens very, very wide. I feel like there's a pool down there, but it doesn't look like it's full, obviously. We'll be able to look in the morning. But yeah, this is what it looks like outside the window. So we'll see what it's like noise level and stuff. We'll be able to give our review once we've stayed. But yeah, so far this looks alright. This looks like it will do us. It wasn't too bad price either. Also, the price of the Uber from the airport from Terminal 2C, he picked us up from spot 16, but they do suggest going out to 14, and that was €55, and we gave a couple of euro tip too, so that wasn't too bad. Then this hotel and flight package that we got from BA was £550 for 4 nights and our flights, and obviously our flights included checked luggage too if you want it. So yeah, I don't think that's that bad to be honest, like to get both for that price for 4 nights, especially because we're staying over the weekends, Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night, Monday night too, so I don't think that's that bad. But yeah, I don't know what the time it is now. It must be maybe 9:45.
Yeah, 9:45.
So they also do a shuttle here too, and it's just outside the hotel. She said that the bus is not got no numbers on it or anything like that. It's just white with red stripes, I think she said, and it's just across the road from where you pick it up. So, but as you can see, there's a map there. I'm sure if you ask reception, they would be able to tell you. So these are the times in the morning. So if you want to go, the earliest one looks like 8:30. And then if you want to go in the evening, they're the latest times. I think the time in the week were the red ones, and then the other ones on the weekends, I believe, is what she said. Then the ones coming back, yeah, as you see, from Sunday to Friday is the ones in red, and then the Saturday ones are the ones in blue. So yeah, the latest one in the week coming back from Disney is 10:45. So we ordered McDonald's, and that came super quickly. We did it by Uber Eats, even though it's not that far away. Neither of us, we're a bit tired, so we were just like, screw it, get it on Uber. So we just got it from the lobby, and we've brought this is something that we don't have in the menu in the UK, so I thought I'd give this a try. We've also brought the Big Arch as well, which feels hefty. And then we've also just got 2 lots of fries, and we've got 2 drinks too. So yeah, we're going to enjoy this, and we'll let you know what we think. So I'm just confirmed this is called the CBO raclette, which I believe is a chicken patty, cheese, bacon, and I think like an onion sauce. I think chicken, bacon, onion. There we go.
Or at least I assume that's what it is.
It does say it on the wrapper. As you can see, we're already ready to bed now. We just ate our food and that was delicious. But it's now 10:45 France time, so what time is it at home? It's an hour less. So yeah, we're ready to go to bed. But it's been a great travel day considering, like, I think it went really smooth at the airport here this side. It was really quick, which I wasn't expecting, to be honest, but a really great experience. And this hotel seems nice, and obviously the Uber Eats got here really quickly too. So yeah, we're now going to go to bed because we need to be up early tomorrow, because I think we're probably going to maybe walk to Disney in the morning I think that's probably what we're going to do. It's a 20-minute walk, and it's pretty much a straight walk through, so should be okay. The park opens at 9:30 in the morning, so we're going to try and get there for then. And but obviously you've got to go security and all that kind of fun stuff first. But yeah, we'll show you all that in the next video. So it's the next morning now, it's Saturday, and we're off to Disneyland Paris. But I just wanted to give a quick review of the room so far. So we both slept pretty well last night, it was pretty good. You can hear people, but they do have this connecting door here, which you can close, which makes it a bit better. But yeah, I must say you could probably hear people from above. But once we were asleep, it was fine. And I must say, like, now it's quite quiet. So yeah, not too bad. And then we do have a pool outside, but it is off season, so it is drained at the moment. But yeah, that would be nice in the summer, I suppose, to have that. It's pretty good. Nice option, because it looks all right out there, to be fair. The shower's nice too. Yeah, so we've also, it's just been quite a good first night, nothing bad, you know. So yeah, so far, obviously we'll see how the next few days go, but yeah, so far so good in this hotel. I'm also going to just put in some clips of what's downstairs as well, because they do have like a shop and stuff. So they sell some bits down there, and there's like a little lounge area. Looks like they have water and coffee down there too. So yeah, they've got quite a few bits in like the lobby, like reception area as well. Also, just want to say about the McDonald's last night, that was just so good. Like, we both enjoyed it. Like, Sam didn't like the onion chicken one that I got, but he really enjoyed the big arch. We haven't had that before, even though you can get it in the UK and stuff. We've never had it because we don't massively eat takeaways all the time. Like, we do obviously eat when we're on holidays and stuff, but in between we don't massively eat too much like takeaways. So that was nice to have, and it was super quick and really easy. So yeah, definitely recommend getting on the Uber Eats and get it delivered to the hotel. But yeah, that's all for the video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and we'll see you again in the next one. Bye!